Sanibonani ma-South Africa bahle. This is Jabu Mahlangu. Jabu Mahlangu and Tiskishandis. Shuffling Tiskiringas. British Coco Samlana or sense of knowledge. Bafetu, it's AFCON 2025 and Suzobesi cover and review. Ama game we Bafana throughout the AFCON. But if Bafetu, chance, if you want us to cover more games, more big games during the AFCON, please just comment on our section Lapayana, and then we'll try and make sure Guti siyan attender and listen to you. Emakimini wonke enzobe mhlambe anything mhlambe ngicela ukuthi siwa cover up, but for now we'll be focusing more on Bafana today. Well done Bafana 2-1 win, very hard fought win from Amachita. Spirit sisaqhubeka, resilience, you know, teamwork, ukuzwana nje kwamachita bafethu. Hayi lentwana lezi mina angazi ngizithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke, but welcome to the show. Since awubulise ntwana bese singene mfana, beautiful win for Bafana, beautiful start, because it's very important to start such big tournaments with a win.
Yeah. Let me also greet ama-JMTS amahle. My name is Busiso Mahlangu, aka Sense of Knowledge, your co-host on JMTS. Ntwana, a beautiful win.
Yeah.
Like any other tournament, the first game,
Brah,
is very important. It sets the tone.
Yeah.
Going forward. It gives you confidence.
Yeah.
And this is what the guys have done. Congratulations to Amachita. I just want to let them know, Guti, as the JMTS, we are behind them. We'll support them. As the South Africa, we are behind them. We'll continue to support them. Jabu, I was worried kancane before this game. You know, in terms of players, in terms of the coach, in terms of the technical team, I'm happy with everything that is happening there. The only thing I was worried about was a mood in the camp. Because you remember, Guti, we had iskafunyana no coach too about the issues ukuthi he's racist, so I thought that thing might destabilize the camp.
Oh, Nyakthol, yeah.
That was my only worry. But in terms of the team selection, in terms of who is there or who was left behind, angasana nkinga because I trust the coach.
Then what was your take namhlanje ntwana ne? Mawubona lineup qala. First game of 2025. And remember, Amachita, we finished third the previous AFCON.
Yes.
We can't finish less than third in this in this AFCON.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the reality of it. Amachita, I settle pa. So it's either city semi-final, or city final, or we are night. We are gonna any into features as we discuss. Ngoba sikho lapha, sikho kuleyo level. So, what went through your mind? Because Angola, it's not an easy team. Also, to play against. Nabo bamnandinyana, and I'm a player paya. We Angola, they play overseas. Abanye badlala bo Qatar, abanye bo Turkey. You know, they've got players who play abroad. You understand? Who Tina? When you look at our team, a core of our team, it's locally based players.
Yeah. So no. Looking at that team, I was never worried. I expected that lineup. I don't know one. The only maybe kancane was the number 10 position where I was like, but I knew Guti Zotalu Master Chef. So that lineup, I was never surprised by it, and I was happy with it. Obviously, as the game progressed, you could see Guti, we need something different. Lapa in positions. But the way we started the game, we started the game very well. We controlled the game. Silala, Silnoka, we were never in the rush. We kept the ball. And when you keep the ball, it makes the other team panic more. Because if you have the ball, you control the game. So we kept the ball well until we got the goal. We created chances in the first 10 minutes. Apollo got the first 3 minutes, I think. Apollo got a chance. Ball blocker.
Yeah.
Same thing happened. Jongoba Zokora. It's a cross again. It comes to Apollo. Whatever, this thing happened. Ball blocked, but now I need to calm myself down. He calmed himself down, he picked a spot, which shows ukuthi umfana seka-matured. He's been playing in these big games. And all the players esidlala ngawo manje, they've been playing big games. So they are much more calmer, they are much more smarter, they've got experience of these kind of games.
Yeah, because mawungabheka mfethu amagoli wethu way-2. This first one where Master Chef I think switched the ball to Mudau. And then Mudau uyodlalela across ku 18 area.
Yes.
And then I think he was I think bekabheke uphasa uFrostler and bekunomkwena futhi la. Then I think kwaba nesitidinyana but into engiyincomayo mfethu ngo-Police and he's been consistent with that from asadlala kuPolokwane City before he even came to Paris. Anticipation ubuclever bakhe to see into ingakayenze ukuthi what if bayayimisa. That's what happens.
Always lurking around that area.
He's always there, bruh. And that's a skill for me.
This is what happens when the ball goes to the other side of the field, to the winger or to whoever. As a winger, don't stay now, come inside.
Yeah.
But also have the anticipation that you're talking about. And Police does it so well.
Yeah.
I think Unkocha needs to learn as well from his teammate. Because I think he was game, he did not pose much threat. So he needs to learn from Police. When the ball goes to the other side, come inside the area, but still be involved. Anticipate. Smell the ball will fall around the area because Police got 2 chances. One by Plokile, same chances. So I think Unkocha needs to learn that as well. You don't play only when you have the ball. Always when the ball moves, anticipate with the ball might fall around the area.
Yeah, but Mina, a beautiful goal, composure, and picking the spot from Police. He's been scoring beautiful goals. Anyway, even in our domestic league, and for Bafana Akatali manje, and he's continuing to do that. Mina iwari amgule nailab ebe incane yabo, not too much because this team idlalile together for years now. Bekungezane nombokazi lapha ku center back because they haven't played together for some time. We bone kanjani that partnership ntwana because that was not too much worry but because bagcine kudalanyana ukudlala because remember our previous games our coach when he left ungezani what no I know what I'm doing uyamazi umadala hayi ngiyazi nyenzani is part of us but ngifuna ukucheck ezinye izinto. So I was just worried lapho nje ukuthi that chemistry izospana uyibone kanjani that defense because uMudau noMudiba high standard umkwena Sithole standard Police Nkota standard Master Chef uForstler standard bengiworried kancane lapha yana.
Yeah, right and ngalento le ushoyo uMbokazi Ungezani, they haven't played much together.
Yeah.
So Umadala, if you look at previous games, what he has done is he always, like, even when he was playing players with Sundowns, he always plays players that understand each other.
Yeah.
So he would play Grant Nomval because they play together. So I was thinking maybe sometimes which angadlalisa Umbokazi no Sibisi. But the problem now with that is the height. We are playing in Africa.
Oh, yeah.
They are both short.
Hey.
So that's why he brings in.
Wow, that's a good point. That's
actually to help us with those crosses.
Yeah.
But we still struggle with the crosses too. That's my worry. Going forward, we still struggling with the crosses. Whether in play or set pieces, we still struggling with set pieces. So going forward, I think the guys need to fix that.
Yeah.
Need to fix that. Pera ama player in height. Okay, when now you are taller. We look at the other team, the analysts should do that. They know about players or what the opponents which are. So when the taller ones, you partner them with the taller players. Because central, we are struggling on across in Twitch.
So we controlled the game first a few minutes of the game. We got a goal. Then after Lapo, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Then ngathi drop manje. Now we say, let's see what let's give them the opportunity because the first few minutes we had the ball, we controlled the game very well, and we showed we want this game and we want to score first. But we get a goal. Now I'm thinking njengoba singitholile manje siyabapress siyabasuffocate manje then kuba ngathi siyehlisa itempo laphayana then iAngola getting equalizing. Why is that?
Good observation. I think each and every team in Africa knows Bafana's strength is that we keep the ball very well.
Yeah.
So most teams, what they do is they respect us.
Okay.
As you saw in this game, Gucci, now they tried to Gucci bas respect and that, but because Tina we scored and the Sabana Manevs Nyana Sahlala and they had the ball and they gained confidence.
Oh yeah.
Young soul,
Yeah.
as you keep as udlala ibhola ntwana mawuloku libamba ibhola loku lithinta loku you gain confidence yabo
Yeah.
so they could see ukuthi but guys we can do this thing
Ngathi akusile into le
uyangizwela
besiyizaba.
yeah no man not we can do this thing
Yeah.
and they came and they can and you can see technically they're not a bad team.
Yeah.
They could keep the ball very well but attack bring in the crosses of which again I worry about those things. We are not dealing well with crosses and we must fix that thing because they could combine come in and have a shot or cross. We could not deal with those crosses and also ngama set pieces we need to do better.
Yeah, because look at the equalizing goal Angola in my view beyikuphi on the right ne on our right.
Yes, on our right. Mudau.
Yeah, I said in Nagamudao go big 18 area side.
Yeah.
So I was not a goalkeeper, but it's just my opinion. I think Uronwen should have done better in terms of positioning.
Yeah.
Young John, because if Ipola Mdladla Lilapana Gulia situation on the right, and the player who's gonna take a free kick is a right foot, automatically is an in swing.
Yes.
So my goalkeeper is either angaza abo goalkeeper bafethu bazasho ifi ngiyayilahla iview yami ukuthi ugoalkeeper wethu kule equalizing bekangekho iposition yakhe it was bad. We have to say it so that as will improve.
Yes, yes.
It was bad because maku in swing is either ubeka iplay li1 la ku Nepal so that when you can deal with ibola maliza it's either ku 18 area or Malia Fapul you can attack the ball because usebenzisa izandla you've got an advantage ne ulibeka lapha. Or if let's say on another day it's a left footer so it's an outswing so it's now maku outswing it's either ubeka umuntu ngapha emuva when uvala ifirst pole then uzo attack. But I feel ukuthi ugoalkeeper wethu azange address that situation ukuthi abeka umuntu. He was nowhere to be found because there was no one here, there was no one there, and hence ubona le bhola maku in swinger iye ku Nepal. He was anticipating ukuthi yale but maye ku Nepal and it was just a flick. And who was marking that player? Who was marking that player? Shy flick. It was Foster.
Yeah.
Who is olingana nami nge height. You understand? And he's not a defender. Obviously, Begame he didn't defend well in terms of his positioning, and I can give it to him to that because I see defend out here. So that flick, haina power, but manje because goalkeeper wethu azange abe decisive organization azange abe decisive ukuthi if for into njengale ngibeka umuntu la bese mina ngizodila nalezi izidlala or mina ngizodila nale le situation le eyala ku Nepal bese ngibeka umuntu ngale. So that's where I think these guys they managed to ukuthi basipunish lapha, and I think he need to improve on that. I mean he's been doing that very well in for many years. Lack of concentration lapha for me in terms of Ronwen organizing his defense lapha.
No, great observation on Mdladla. Like you said, we're not goalkeepers, but that's a great observation. We've got Unjabulo, who will come just kind 30 seconds nyana about the positioning yaka goalkeeper and give us his expert opinion on the goalkeeping department. Yeah, now I'm not happy about that goal. We could have done better.
Now, bebanga stooping ngaleyo ndlela man Angola, you know, like in terms of the trap, goal scoring opportunities, we control everything was okay. Then now, sikipa
Second half.
Yeah, second half now, sikipa kungena Umuremi for Unkota, which Unkota I was disappointed in terms of the performance. Unkota, actually all the offensive players as a fan, I was not happy with them.
Yeah.
Mbule, Unkota, a police. Yes, he scored. Uzosinda ngokuthi yena ushayile native, but I know they always give us more.
They can do better.
They do better, and they are more dangerous all the time. But today they were not that dangerous in terms of last state. But nice substitution mfana. Umuremi yangena uNkoti yaphuma. Instant impact yakamuremi. Getting a beautiful goal laphayana, but of course Lale Foster bekalele laphayana. And as a player udlala ku-EPL, I'm disappointed because you know there's a VAR. So ibholo mawalihlelile, you need to push quicker.
Be switched on all the
To
time.
switch on all the time, but laphayana he was sleeping. You understand? That's why Themba Bamnika, he came from an offside position and he denied us a beautiful goal from Umuremi laphayana. What's your take on that?
Yeah, Ntona, like you put it in fact, Lyle Foster needs to, there's VAR now. So all the time, whether the ball is at the back or wherever, he must always
Check the linesman,
position.
ukuthi
Check.
kuphi.
But whether the ball is on the left, check the defender where he is. Play on the shoulders of a defender. See the defender here, see the ball. Whether Malingapa, see the defender, see the ball.
Yeah.
You understand? So always the positioning is very important. You don't switch off. So Lapa Foster switch off and he denied us a beautiful goal. But I'll tell you, Umuremi has a goal in him. And all attacking Bafana players, they have a goal in them.
Yeah.
Anyone can score.
Yes.
Anyone can score from those guys. And that's the advantage that we have. You look at our back four, you look at our pairing, the pivot, Ulontuzan, Umukwena, and Uyaya. They give us the control, they give us the stability to control the game. Gamnandi, Sipombule is there now but Zekhulumeka Sipombule. But that's what we have. Then going forward, we've got the speed. All our attacking players, they are speedy, and they can score goals. So that's the advantage we have, and not just speedy, but creative, smart, trebula. So it's an advantage.
Yeah, especially against all these North, West African teams, because we know they are very physical. Tina, we smashing skill and speed. In terms of Usipo, I know he was not number 10 originally. He's number 8 and number 6. And people, they must not forget that. But he has improved in that role. But he needs to give us a pass, a pull a window, and in big games like this, you can't always rely on just passing on the side and not breaking the windows.
Yeah.
Like Umfuking. Yes, Usipo, for me, he did well. Everyone did well today, but I'm sure we can improve on this one, and Usipo can also improve in terms of not only playing Jigamnandi easy, this is Master Chef, break the windows, bruh. It's international stage now. Mfukeng does that week in, week out. You understand? So, but it's good, Sweeney Rentwana, Van Dijk, second goal. Take us through that.
Second goal, ngibusela in what lento khuluma ngayo ngoSiphumbule ukuthi he should be doing. You see, I'll always speak about Uthemba's one. You see, in that number 10 position, we need someone who's able to keep the ball in those small, tight spaces.
And the Themba is the best.
You need someone who will keep the ball there and engage the incoming players.
Yeah.
The incoming, the nippy ones.
Yeah.
They must benefit from our number 10. And that's what Themba's one does well. So Usipo, he must do that now. When he gets that ball in that position, he must not go back.
Yeah.
We've already broken the lines. We are in this space. So he must keep the ball there and engage Lan Ali Tiji. Which is Umwana says yes, he's a number 9. Mara, he does that well. Mabam engage in the number 9 position, even if it does not score, but he's able to pick up a police, Nabobanbani la. So he's able because he does not get the ball and go out. Keep the ball here. And that's what Usipo, I think he must improve on. Otherwise, he keeps the ball very well for us, but he needs to improve on that. Once we get into that last position, keep the ball in that space, and that's how the goal came.
Yeah.
It comes from Opri.
Yes.
Liza Guban, Gumurem. Umuremi Tasha kwenza
Nomrem is a winger.
He's a
Nobody
wing.
umunye umuntu beka-expect mhlawumbe bekumele alithole
outside.
But
He comes in, bayamdlala. What he does is a smaller nyana touch. Because as South African, skillful is simnandi, technical is simnandi. So we can play in these small spaces. So let's have that confidence with one thing in these small tight spaces. Asilidlaleni mos la.
beautiful goal, man.
Kamnandi mfethu.
Beautiful goal, guys, from Forster, and beautiful team goal, by the way. So
And this call to the young ones. How do you strike the ball? Keep your head down. Pick the spot. You understand?
Hey.
Before he scored the goal,
Hey.
what happened? Ushayile la phezulu.
Yes.
Angithi labuya kwesi-2, what did he do? Head down, technique, pick the spot.
So uthini mfana ngama-substitutions Abbas naye, I think obviously we were 2-1 up, bekumele sivale vele. I was looking forward for President Emma 2000, but makuso i-first game, it's fine. I don't complain. Amajita adlalile mfowethu. Usibona kanjani second game against Egypt ntwana masesesovana?
We always take
Where must we improve against Egypt? Because Egypt now, it's another powerhouse and more technical and more dangerous than the Angola.
Yeah. No, we as South Africans we always suffer from the Western countries, but the North African teams siyaba dominator because skillful wise, technical is imnandi. If we keep the ball, we'll beat those ones.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bafethu, uqedile mfethu.
Nomnandi ntwana.
Hayi bafethu, well done to Bafana. Kusaqala bafethu. Kusaqala kusazonyiwa bafethu. Kusezi Egypt, kusezi Zimbabwe. iZimbabwe ikwatile mfethu, bathe basifuna umakhi, bathe bakwate blind. Yeah, bathe bakwatile, but well done to the gents, well done to Bafana. It was a great win. A great performance. Of course, the performance can be better, but we will take it home. The most important thing was to get a 3 point so that we can set the tone for the upcoming games. Perfect. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Discussionis shuffling discussing us. Sizobona on the next game Bafana doing our review. Tango.